volunteer here at La Giraudière alongside other international volunteers and Erasmus students to work on the YERRF project. If you haven't seen our other video, YERRF stands for Young Entrepreneurs Rejuvenate Rural France. The aim of our project is to encourage young people in rural France to take up the entrepreneurship path as an alternative career option. The first part of our project involved reaching out to businesses worldwide, writing to possible global partners. We wanted to find out if these businesses could offer some potential free benefits to our new entrepreneurs, such as banks providing free startup bank accounts or reduced banking rates. This part of the project is now done, and we're moving on to the second part. The second stage of our project is going to involve carrying out surveys to ask local youth what services they might want from us and how we can best benefit them with the project. We are also opening an invitation for the young people in the area to come and take part in setting up workshops and helping us with the project so we can achieve our goal. Here are some of my fellow volunteers who are going to explain more about what we want to do.